It's June the 16th, 2023, and Derby tenant is turning on the smoke detector alarm. It's going off. This is happening here at Derby Apartments at 5640 Santa Monica Boulevard in Los Angeles, 90038. We are located next to Gold Diggers. You can Google Maps it, you can Google Earth it, or you can Yelp it to see where we live. Again, it's June the 16th, 2023, and Derby tenant is turning on the smoke detector alarm. So I just wanted to do a video on it just for documentation purposes for LA City Fire Department and for Derby Apartments FPI management, because the smoke detector was just checked this month and I was here when they did it. So that must be a Derby tenant doing it because it's after office hours. Again, it's June the 16th, 2023, and a Derby tenant is turning on the smoke detector alarm in my apartment. I already have a YouTube video of it playing because it happened right after the smoke detector was tested in my apartment and they verified there's nothing wrong with it. That's the view of Santa Monica Boulevard and Wilton in Los Angeles. Again, it's June the 16th, 2023.